Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content scheduling with Buffer easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start automating your content scheduling with Buffer, first, go to the Buffer website or open the Buffer app. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you already do. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see options to connect your social media accounts. Click the Connect a Social Account button. Select the platforms you want to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your accounts. Now, prepare your content for scheduling. Click on the Content tab located in the left sidebar. You will see an option to add a new post. Choose your connected social media platform from the drop-down menu. Compose your message in the text box provided. You can also add images or links by using the appropriate buttons. Once your content is ready, look for the Schedule Post option. Here, you can select a specific date and time for your post. Alternatively, you can use the Add to Queue feature for automatic scheduling. Buffer will automatically post your content at your desired times. To manage your posting schedule, go to the Schedule tab in the sidebar. Here, you will see all your scheduled posts. You can edit or delete posts if needed by clicking on them. Use these insights to refine your content strategy moving forward. Automating your content scheduling with Buffer can save you time and help maintain a consistent online presence. By following these steps, you can streamline your social media efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.